Hi, this is Maturish, and this is the channel where we dish the ish on a mature tip, and this is another episode of Mains by Maturish. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you've been rocking with me for a while, hey, glad you're back, because now I've got some more. And if you're in the clouds just watching, drop on down, say hello, join the crowd, join the channel so you can support the channel. If you're part of the replay gang, give the channel a little bit of applause. And for today, what I've got is another, that's right, I said headband wig. Remember, we are stuck in the house yet again. So why should we have to lay down lace to look nice hanging out in the house? I don't want to sit around looking scary, but by the same token, I don't want to go through any extra trouble. So what I have for you today is the Persephone. This is a kinky curly 18-inch natural density of 150% headband. You do not have to worry about this wig coming off your head, okay? Because I got this Velcro on here and I'm trying to get it off without breaking yet another nail. That's right. Don't come for me if you see it. Play like you don't see the broken nail. Yeah, do that for me. There we go. She's loose. And in order to get my wigs dry, conditioned, I use these hangers. The wig goes here, then hangs down, and then I use my shower curtain. You can use a towel rack if you want to, but I use a shower curtain to hang it up, and then I put product, curl gel, some leave-in conditioner, and I will leave links to all of these things down in the bottom. Now, the links that you'll find in my description box are generally affiliate links. If you click on the link, you'll be helping out the channel if you purchase through that link. Okay, so here she is. That's 18 inches. Was plenty long enough for me. The curls on this are just magnificent. This is after shampooing. Now, there was a fairly significant amount of shedding after I shampooed her. Co-wash all of my human hair units. Now, the cap construction for this one has one cap in the back, one comb in the back, no adjustable strap. There is a comb on each temple, for each temple, and then there's a comb slightly back, rests about here. So I'm wearing my wig grip cap. There'll be a link to it down in the description box, and I want all these combs sitting on top of this, not my hair. We're not going out like that. And because my hair is bleached white, most of you know that I wear my hair very short and bleached bright white, even whiter than this sweater that I'm wearing, which also came from Amazon. And if you like the sweater, and she's got long sleeve, I love this sweater. She comes down to my knees, and the material's so soft, and she's got the colors here. I have one in white, one in black. Love them. And again, there's nothing wrong with being cute at home. Okay, I'm just saying. In case y'all listening. Okay, let's try her on, see how she comes out. Again, she's got the elastic band, but you know about that for a headband wig. Now I'll turn to my mirror here and put her on. Hello. No, okay, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. I have all of the combs resting on the cap. There's no way they can touch my hair at all. And that's how I want it. And we specialize in no leave outs over here because, again, my hair is bright white and there's absolutely no way that I'm going to have a leave out with a natural colored wig. Now, this wig can be straightened because she's human. She can be colored because she's human. And of course, you can always cut a wig, no matter whether it's human or synthetic. If you feel like cutting into it, knock yourself out. I'm just going to pin it up here because it just makes putting the elastic on just a little bit easier for me. So we're going to pull her down so that I don't have any leave out, which means bringing her down. There we go. And I purchased her with my own coin. She came from Amazon. Very reasonably priced. Very reasonably priced. And this is very comfortable. I gotta tell you, this is super. This is a wear around the house ready. Okay, that's kind of cute. I got that. Okay. Me and my bright ideas. Okay, let's take my hand and I'm gonna break the cast. That's where I use a type of curl gel. So I'm going to use my hands to kind of comb it out a little bit. She's a little bit tangly right now, but that only lasts a minute. And this hair is soft. Oh, she's pretty. And of course, the more I play with it, the bigger she's going to get, which doesn't bother me at all. Big hair, I don't care. I like big hair. I don't care where I am, in the house, outside, going somewhere, doing something, doing nothing. I like big hair. I'm gonna wear a wig. I might as well wear a whole wig, right? That's pretty. Let's see if I can fix the front, because I can't see. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Now I do have another kinky curly wig. She is, I want to say 12 to 14 inches. So she stops way up here. And I wanted a slightly longer one so that I could see what else I can do with it. I don't know what I'm trying to do with it, but whatever it is, I'm gonna try something else. And forgive the lights showing through the back of the wig there. That's just something that's going on. And I'll pull a little bit of it over to one side. Kind of give it a little bit of whatever on one side. Let's see if I can do that. Hold on just a moment. Let me fix this mirror because it's doing its own thing in here. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, child. She is really pretty and really soft. And she kind of looks like my hair when I was growing hair, yeah. Yeah, now I wouldn't run a comb through her until I was, maybe the back of it when I'm getting ready to put it away. But your fingers should be enough to get you enough volume to break the cast on the curls. Just break them apart from where you shampooed it and left in leave-in conditioner or some kind of gel or whatever you want to use to set your curls. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else we can do with it. She comes with 4 free headbands. So here are some of them. And I think I'm going to put this one on. I've got the blingy red headband. And I also have what I call the shoot 'em up bang bang tire. Tiger, or what, I don't know what animal this is. Whatever animal it is. Animal print band. But for right now, for my purposes, I don't know why I like this one so much, but I really like this headband. So before I put on any earrings, let's put this headband on. And see how it just looks with a plain old headband. She is so fluffy. Oh, child. I love a fluffy wig. A fluffy curly wig, yeah. She comes in different lengths on Amazon, anywhere from 18 to I think 26 inches. But you can click on the link below and find out exactly how many inches she's coming in. Again, this is 18 and it's, well, you can see where it's hitting me. So, and I'm just going to spread this out a little bit and make sure I got all the hair under the headband. There we go. And that the headband is covering the back of the wig. I'm going to pull her up in a minute. But for right now, this is giving really natural tease to me. Because nobody's hair is just like perfect. Well, I guess if you cut it, it would be perfectly symmetrically beautiful. But generally speaking, nobody's hair grows just like perfectly out. Hang on just a moment. My contact lens is rebelling. Okay, it was just one ear. Okay, now we've got her down. This is her from the right side, the left side. And I'm just gonna leave this headband on for now. I don't know why I don't feel like changing headbands. Let's play with this a little bit. What I'm going to do is make a messy bun, but I'm gonna bend over and do it so I can get the hair on top of my head a little bit easier than I usually struggle with that. So hang on. There we go. It takes a little bit of doing to get all this hair on top of your head in one rubber band. I use a covered rubber band because it is human hair. Although I would use a covered rubber band if it wasn't, because that's all I got. I don't use regular rubber bands. Okay. Now we got her up here. Oh, she cute. She's adorable. That gives you a great big old poof. I like that poof. I like that. And you can put, if you feel like it's not going to stay comfortably on top of your head, you can use, pins to pin her, or even another rubber band. Okay, we got that done. What else can we do? Let her back down. Now, of course, you can always put it in a ponytail. Just grab her up. You can take pins, hair pins, and pin each side so that it doesn't come down. And then you have like this really long ponytail thing going on like that, so that it's clipped here in the front. Here, I'll give you an example. Please don't come out the house with one of these clips. Don't come out the house with one of these banana clip thingies. That's all I've got sitting here, but it gives me what I want, which is a long clip in the top and the ponytail that goes down like that. That's all I wanted. But don't go. Please, I'm begging. And again, I wouldn't run a comb through her necessarily. I mean, that's according to what you want to do. I would detangle her and separate the curls with my fingers so that you maintain a lot of the curl pattern. You don't want to play with it so long that the curl pattern is all gone, and then you have to start all over by wetting it down. Now, if you lose your curl pattern, if you play with it too much and you go, oh, what did I do? All you have to do is get a water bottle, a little bit of mister, grab the hair up. I'm about to spray myself in the face, Lord. There we go. Mist her a little bit, particularly the ends, and then just scrunch them. Curl comes right back. There you go. The curl comes right back. And I always suggest co-washing these human hair wigs before you wear them, simply because somebody like me with a sensitive nose will be able to smell it if you don't. Other people, I've had other people check my wigs because I'm like, do you smell something? Do you smell something? What is that I smell? And they're like, I don't know what you smell. I don't smell anything, but I smell it. And for me, that's all that really matters. So that's all there is to her. I think she's really pretty, really soft. And again, so easy, no lace laying, beginner friendly, big head friendly, small head friendly, but definitely beginner friendly. So many people are intimidated about having to cut off lace, and it's no small feat. If you haven't practiced laying down wigs, it can be not only intimidating, it can be messy, because if you put a hole in that lace, that wig is over, child. Okay. You put a hole in your lace, your wig is over. So that's not what you want to do. This is her from the right side, the left side. And I'm going to show it to you from the back side. This is all the hair to the back. And she's got plenty of movement. That's what I call looking cute. If you got to run a couple of errands, you got to, I don't know where you're going, the store, the shopping, the whatever, but we do have to leave the house at some point. You got to get food and things like that. So if you've got to leave the house at some point, you might as well use a headband wig. You're out the door maximum 10 minutes if you've got the headbands. And this one, like I said, comes with 4 free headbands. She's reasonably priced. She's human hair, which means human hair, just general information, human hair lasts much longer than synthetic hair. Now, synthetic hair can last quite a while if you take care of it, if you don't have it in rotation every day. But a human hair wig, there's no telling how long it will last and look good if you take care of it, which means keeping it clean, keeping it conditioned. You can't pretend like it's not hair, okay? This hair came off of some human somewhere. And so you got to treat it like it's real hair and take care of it. But if you do that, you could have a wig for a very, very long time. So with that, I'm going to get out of here. Please get down in the comments. Let me know what you think of Miss Kinky Curly. Because see, I'm loving her. But then, like I'm a sucker for a curly wig. I really am. Let me know how you feel about her. And thank you so much for spending this time with me. I'm glad to be with you yet again. And remember to do you the way you do you, because however it is that you're doing you, nobody does it better. So until next time we see each other, and I'm sure it won't be long because I got wigs, and more wigs. I always have a good wig. Bye-bye.